Hi, this is the VIVO Y36 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first we should open the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner to log out from the Gmail app. We should first log out from Google account on our device, and after that you'll automatically log out from the Gmail account and Gmail application. So tap to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account and click to remove. Confirm your action by tap to remove, and now we could see that we just successfully logged out from the Google account on our device. So let's go back to the Gmail and we could see that we also successfully logged out from the Gmail app. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.